Namaskar. Mother Nature has provided us with Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth, which is good for all skin types, dry, oily, and combination variety. Multani Mitti could be effectively used as a cleanser and toner. It scraps off excess oil and dirt on the skin. It can absorb oil and is very good for the treatment of pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. By improving a blood circulation and tightening of your skin, it makes your face radiant. Multani Mitti can be combined with several kitchen ingredients to make natural skincare remedies. Today, let us see some face pack combination with Multani Mitti. Our first face pack is for facial glow. Take a tablespoon of Multani Mitti and mix it with 2 teaspoons of sandalwood powder. Add half tablespoon of water, 1/4 tablespoon of rose water and 1/4 tablespoon of milk. Mix into a smooth paste and apply on your face and neck. Rinse off this mask with water and a sponge or a soft cloth after 15 to 20 minutes. Moisturize it with a little coconut oil. Apply this mask once or twice in a week for a good result. Next is a face pack for oily skin. Mix 1 tablespoon Multani Mitti with 1 tablespoon curd, 1 teaspoon turmeric and 1 tablespoon of honey. Add a little water to make a thick paste. Apply this on your face and neck and leave it for 30 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water and try and use this mask twice a week. The third face pack is for dry skin type. Take half a cup of smashed ripe papaya pulp. Mix 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti and 1 teaspoon of honey. Make a thick paste and apply evenly on your face and neck. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then rinse off with water. Pat your skin dry and moisturize with little cow's ghee. This mask can be used once a week. The fourth face pack is for the combination of skin type. Make a paste with 1 tablespoon Multani Mitti and 1 tablespoon honey and half tablespoon of lemon juice. Add some water if required. Mix well, make a nice paste and apply this mask on your face and neck and allow it to dry for 20 to 30 minutes. Then rinse off with plain water and moisturize your skin with milk cream. Use this mask once or twice a week. We will now see a face pack for tanned and pigmented skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti with half tablespoon of tomato juice, 1/4 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 teaspoon honey. Add milk to make a thick paste. Rub this paste into your skin into a gentle circular motion. Then leave it on for 20 minutes. Wash with plain water and pat dry. Moisturize with a little coconut oil. Apply twice a week for best results. Finally, here is a face pack for pimples and acne. Mix 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti with 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 tablespoon of neem powder. Add 1 tablespoon of water, half tablespoon milk and a few drops of lemon juice. Make a smooth paste and apply on your face and neck for 15 minutes. Wipe off gently with lukewarm water and rinse your face. Apply this mask twice a week. Multani Mitti is packed with mineral and it is a good absorbent. Apart from using it for the facial treatment, you may also use it on your hair and scalp for cleansing and conditioning. These natural beauty remedies can be prepared very easily and has zero side effects. So, bring the radiance back to your face with Multani Mitti, that too naturally. Namaskar.